I'm Anelia from Anelia's Properties, and I wonder what you are interested in. If you would love a smaller complex with just a few townhouses and quiet, peaceful privacy with a bigger yard and the face brick, this is your place. This place has got a separate backyard, privacy, no garden to maintain, but if you would love a garden, you just live this and you will have a garden. Let me come and show you the inside. We've got here a big kitchen with lots of cupboards, and we have a separate washing up area. And let me show you this quite spacious living area. Here you've got the sitting room, here you've got the dining room space, lots of space. Even the main bedroom and the second bedroom are quite spacious with lots of cupboards. And the best about this house is that it's got 2 bathrooms. This townhouse, buy yourself a new life. This is in the lower part of 700s. Call us and buy yourself a new place.